Moving online is taking over from just having access to the internet. Keeping things safe online is good for everyone. But today, internet crimes and stealing people's identities hurt countries, damage economies, and mess with people's private lives all over the world. Unknown people use digital systems for bad things. Governments react. People pay the price. It only helps the people who are in charge of it. It doesn't have to stay like this. Together, governments and 𝗵𝗂𝗺 can stop internet crime right where it starts, by making sure everyone in the digital world can be held responsible. 𝗵𝗂𝗺 brings a truly new and powerful solution. A universal digital immigration platform made especially for governments, border control, and public identity systems. It gets rid of online anonymity for people who do bad things. It makes all online users clear and fully known, not just dealing with the aftermath of fraud, but stopping identity theft before it even starts. 𝗵𝗂𝗺 works as a special layer that checks if a person is real. It makes sure that the person using an official government ID, like an EID, passport, password, or digital certificate, is the rightful owner. And that any automatic action, any task given to AI systems, is clearly allowed by that same verified person. Logging in becomes password-free, offline, built to protect your privacy. Security goes back to the people. Control goes back to the government. This new way of doing things brings a new kind of digital money for countries. By making safe about $100 trillion in money moved around the world each year, with the usual 2% fee, moving online could bring in about $2 trillion every year. For Europe alone, over 150 billion euros each year. For Spain, about 15 billion per year, without raising taxes, without messing up how the EU market works. A big improvement to how digital things are managed. For people, privacy and freedom are completely brought back. Stealing identities, online bullying, and abuse are stopped, with real responsibility enforced. Families are freed from the hidden cost of internet crime, which used to be about $7,000 per household. For organizations and businesses, money spent on internet security changes from reacting to attacks to being safe from the start. Digital systems are made to be safe from the beginning. Based on a giving model, half of the foundation's value is shared among all 195 countries. Everyone gets to take part equally. Digital control for each country, aligned with human rights. No single group can take over. Power stays spread out. Moving online is the next big step in how identities are managed. Like when passports were first invented. For Spain, for Europe, for every country that believes in democracy. Stronger national safety, ending online identity fraud. Currently at almost $12 trillion. New money for countries. People trust again. Online security is a public good. Together, governments and 𝗵𝗂𝗺 can stop internet crime and identity theft, giving control of digital things back to countries and privacy and safety to everyone on Earth. Protect people. Make nations stronger. Secure the future. Join us.